Hi everyone, my name is Haley Bodewig, and this is my screencast for my PSA, Better Forest Management. In this PSA, I am aiming to raise awareness on the neglected management of our national forests and how these now fire-prone thickets could be selectively thinned to implement healthier national forests while preventing the reoccurring amounts of wildfires that occur year after year. In the design of the PSA, I used a bold title to draw on the reader with a transparent backdrop while encompassing the flyer with a healthy national forest picture. I felt that including a healthy national forest picture encourages the reader to feel positive about the implementation of proper selective thinning, as this implementation allows for the viewer to understand what a healthy managed forest looks like. I followed this by a brief write-up of what our forests have become in time with neglect and improper harvest of timber. Originally, I wanted to include a larger write-up of what has pushed forest management to change over time. However, that would have overworded the PSA while providing only biases from personal views. And in order to make this PSA that could appeal to the general public, I chose to stand in a neutral yet supportive tone. Furthermore, I drew in the statement with a call to action addressing the concern of forest fires, let's not let them go up in smoke, and selling the call of action to be support selective thinning. With proper selective thinning, the national forest will be able to boast healthy trees and vegetation for not just viewing, but for animals that reside within these national forests. I hope this PSA raises your awareness on our neglected national forests. Let's not let them go up in smoke. Support selective thinning. Thanks for listening.